are you feeling today? How's your immune system? How are you breathing? So, if you need help with any of these things, boy, your oils are going to be a lifesaver for you right now. So, let's talk about respiratory systems. In your kit, you get Raven. You get the little bottle. This is the bigger 15 milliliter bottle, but you'll have one this size in your kit. Open it up. Raven has a childproof cap on it because it contains wintergreen, which smells amazing, and kids associate it with candy. So wintergreen is not safe for children to consume, even though you could put a drop in things you're consuming. You want to keep it away from kids, and that's why it has a childproof cap, similar to the Panaway, also containing wintergreen. As soon as you open this up and take a whiff, you're going to know why you need it for your respiratory. It is so strong and smells amazing. So this is going to go right in your diffuser. If you just want to breathe easier, you can just use Raven by itself. Or, because it's a blend and costs a little more money, you can combine it with lemon. Lemon is also great for your respiratory and your immune systems. You can combine Raven with Thieves with lemon if you want as well. And then you have like the trifecta of breathing, immune, cleansing your air, all the things. So another thing you can do with Raven is apply it to the back of your toes. The bottoms of your toes are your respiratory points. So maybe when you're sleeping you have problems breathing, which leads to snoring. Go ahead and try some Raven on the back of your toes or just on your big toe. Put it in your diffuser at night while you sleep. You could combine it with lavender. You might think it sounds weird, but do the sniff test where you just hold them together and smell over them, and then up or down based on your preferences. So that is another option. So Raven is really your respiratory oil. You can combine it with peppermint as well if you want it more invigorating. So there's all kinds of different ways that you can use your Raven, but this is definitely your respiratory support. So let's talk about immune support, which is Thieves. All things Thieves cleansing immune support. It is so good for your body. So what I like to do is when my Thieves, this is the big bottle, but when my Thieves bottle out of my starter kit is getting low, when there's maybe a quarter of the bottle left, what I want to do is take that and I want to add some lemon, so probably about 15 drops of lemon and probably about 5 drops of frankincense. And I want to put it in my almost empty Thieves bottle, and then I want to use my V6 oil and fill it up and use my roller fitment to make an immune roller. So these are great to keep on hand in your house. We apply these to our feet, all of us, at bed every night. We have one next to all of our beds. So at night when we crawl into bed, we just rub our feet with it. And then in the morning before we put socks on. This is another great one to rub up and down your spine for a little extra support. I roll it up and down my kids' spines every morning before they leave for school. So they get their feet and their spine, which is really an amazing way to keep your immune system supported. Remember, essential oils aren't like medicine. With medicine, we wait until we're sick and then try to find the pill to match the ill. Essential oils are really a way of supporting your health to maintain your health so that you keep your health and not have to go down that road. So this is a really awesome way to use those oils. So Thieves is also amazing in your diffuser, because when you're diffusing Thieves, it's cleansing and purifying your air, but you're breathing it in and actually supporting your immune system. So I love diffusing Thieves and lemon together. Thieves and frankincense together too is awesome. So Thieves is a really, really great way. So we've talked about internal, diffusing, topical, all the Thieves. Thieves, lavender, and lemon, we pretty much order every month in our house. So that's why the starter kit really is such a great way to introduce you into oil so that you know what you're going to need in your life every day. So if you need some immune or respiratory support, those are my suggestions. You can also put some of your Thieves and lemon into a little vegetable capsule that you can order from Young Living as well. This is a great way to take oils internally without having to taste them. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Let me know if I can help any more. Thanks.